Hello everyone, my name is Jamie McQuaid from Magnet Forensics, and today I've got a quick video to show you some new features with our Magnet.AI. Magnet.AI is our machine learning algorithms. Basically what it does is it uses machine learning to help automatically categorize certain chats and pictures for your analysis and various categories like drugs, sexual conversations, stuff like that. So we've got a number of different features here, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like. You can see here I've got a completed case. It's already been processed. The machine learning algorithms are a post-processing task that you kick off after your processing's been done. If you want to apply the categorizations, we'll do that automatically for you, but it's something you kick off after processing a case. So I've got a case here, the dashboard's up, some summaries, the evidence overview, and places to start. So we're going to start with the places to start and go down here into tags and comments. Now, if you look here, there hasn't been any tags applied to this. This is a new case that hasn't started yet. So you can see tags added by Magnet.AI categorization right here. Now you can kick this off in one of two ways. You can either categorize chats or pictures here, or you can go up to process and you can categorize chats or pictures here. Either way works. You can do this one from anywhere. If you're in the dashboard, you could do it straight from here. So for this case, if I wanted to categorize chats, I would just click the button here. It identifies there's about 2,000 chats or so here, and I would hit next, and I could choose what kind of chats I wanted to categorize. So we've got two types in here, sex-related and luring. So I can check both of those off, and it'll tag anything it identifies as possible luring or possible sex-related content. So we hit categorize chats, and it'll start categorization down here below. Now this could take some time. There's about 2,000 chat conversations in here, so it will take some time to do it. The pictures does take a while as well, so usually I recommend setting it and letting it run. You can continue to work your investigation while it's doing that categorization if you want, but we'll just pause it here and come back once it's finished. Okay, the chat categorization is completed. It only took a minute or two to do that. There wasn't too many chats there, but now we can see that it has gone through it. Now it doesn't look like it actually found anything, which is good because I didn't have anything in this case for sexual related chats or luring or anything like that. But if we go over the pictures now, we could choose categorize pictures. There's about 118,000 pictures in this case. I can choose next. And now we've got a few different categories here. We can look for child abuse, pornography, drugs, or weapons. And basically we could choose any combination. If you're looking for specific things, you can enable one and not the other ones, but I'll just search for everything here and hit categorize pictures. I'm not going to do it. I've already got some results already look for us, categorized for us. We don't have to wait for it or anything like that. So I'm just going to hit cancel and open up the other case. So let me flip over here. And here's a different case, smaller case that just already has things categorized here. You can see that there's no chats in this one, but this is just pictures. You can see there's some weapons and drugs gone in here. So I could view them this way, or I could go down to the artifacts, and there's a whole bunch of pictures here. So let's look at the thumbnail view here, and we can see there's a whole lot of pictures. You can already see there's a nice combination of them. So if I go to tags and comments, you can see there's a whole lot of different categories here, but let's find possible drugs. And do the possible drugs hit, and you can see that it's pretty obvious. There's a lot of pictures with various types of drugs in here that you would expect to see, pills or otherwise in here. Now you still might get some false positives. That's bound to happen. You can see this one. I don't think there's actually any drugs in this, but it's food. I found you're still going to get some hits for food related things, especially any sort of white powdery substances like chalk or anything like that. You may get some drug hits, but again, it's a good way to kind of go through and take a look and identify stuff that might be of interest. Now let's try the weapons one. So if I clear that away and go to possible weapons, hit OK, and now you can start seeing some weapons, people with weapons or guns. I think there's some bows and arrows in here, or a nice mix of various pictures with guns in it. Again, you still may get the occasional drugs photo or something else. You're always bound to get false positives. The machine learning is never perfect, but it will help get you through a number of the pictures that you might have to go through here. So again, nice way to to make use of it. And again, you can see that they're already categorized. If you want, you can remove the tags if you don't think it's right, or if it's incorrect, or in that you want to remove that tag and say, okay, this one isn't actually weapons, so we could remove that and just say, okay, it is possible drugs though. You can bookmark it as anything else as well. So that's all I've got for this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.